What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know why I said it like that, but yeah, in this video I just want to really get y'all opinion before I just make a decision on which one I want to do. So I'm already leaning towards a steering wheel, which y'all didn't see. That's not the one in the thumbnail. The one in the thumbnail is the one that I already got, but I'm leaning towards this other steering wheel. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute after I go in the house and get the steering wheel I already have. But I'm leaning towards a different steering wheel because I don't really want to use that one. I feel like that one is just a little plain, so I want to use, well, it's a different one online that I found that I want to order. But regardless, I gotta order the kit that go to this car. So I'm gonna end up ordering that kit regardless, because I need to change the steering wheel. If y'all don't know, this is our steering wheel. This is what we rocking with for now. We missing basically just the horn piece that had a middle emblem on it. So that's all we missing on this steering wheel. So I really didn't want to rock it no more because I can't find one. If I found one, I'm better off just buying a aftermarket steering wheel and throwing the steering wheel on here. So yeah, regardless, we're just gonna end up changing out the steering wheel because I can't find no Caprices. Usually the junkyard near me, it's two junkyards near me. Usually they have like an old school box Chevy at they junkyards, but they ain't been having none. I guess people been realizing what they worth and what they are. You feel me? I think they've been realizing what they've been doing wrong and giving away their Caprices to the junkyard and stuff. So yeah, it ain't been none in, I'll say, a couple, like 2 years now. But when I was growing up, it used to be there ones all the time there. Me and my dad would go to the junkyard basically just to look at cars, because I used to love cars a lot. We'd go to the junkyard, look at cars. If we see a couple parts that he needed right then, we'll take them off. And they have like Oldsmobile Cutlasses there, some Monte Carlos. I ain't never seen no Buick Regal there though. That's one car I wish I would have seen in person. I think I've only seen like 1 or 2 Regals in person. But that's my dream. That's one of my dream old school cars. I got to get one day. But they also have a lot of box Chevys too. But now they don't have no old school cars. None. Not even Camaros. The old Camaros, don't even have them anymore at the junkyards. I guess people realizing what them old school cars are worth now, what you can do with them, and what people will pay for them, and what other people want to do with them, so you can get rid of them instead of just sending it to the junkyard and really getting pretty much nothing. You feel me? So yeah, I ain't been able to find no parts for the Caprice at no junkyard, so everything that we've been getting, I've been having to order. But yeah, I think we probably just gonna take a break from looking at wheels right now, unless I find a really good set for a really good price. A dude already hit me up talking about come down to his tire shop. He might have a set of wheels for me to look at, so I'm probably gonna go down there and go look at them. It don't hurt me to look, you feel me? We just looking right now. But yeah, like I said, we gonna replace this steering wheel, and I'm gonna show y'all once I go get the steering wheel I already have. I don't really know how I feel about it. I don't know if I want to throw it in here. I was gonna throw it in here at first just so I can get this steering wheel out, because I didn't know if I could pass inspection with my steering wheel like that, but they let me pass. They said it was okay. So like I said, once I get on, I'm gonna show y'all the steering wheel. I gotta go get it. It should be here. If it ain't here, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just wasted this part of the video, but it should be here. I gotta go in the house and get it, and I'm gonna show y'all, basically just show y'all what the steering wheel look like. Well, y'all seen about the thumbnail, but you feel me? I don't think it's a bad steering wheel. It's just, I told y'all the route I want to go on this car, and it's blue and gold. So I feel like I should do like a blue and gold steering wheel. I'm gonna show y'all the steering wheel that I already got picked out. It's not that much. It's like $80 online on Amazon. So I think it looked pretty good. It's a pretty good steering wheel. Now the kit is a 3-bolt kit, but the steering wheel is a 6-bolt. So I'm gonna have to get I've been doing a lot of research on this, y'all. I literally took all day yesterday, all day, the entire day, just researching like steering wheels, what I need to get. Can the 6-bolt go into the 3-bolt, or do you need an adapter, all that good stuff. So I'm probably gonna order the 3-bolt adapter kit today, and then I might just order all of it today. That way it'll be in, we can go ahead and throw it on there. But yeah, I gotta order the 3-bolt adapter kit for the steering wheel, and then I gotta order the 6-bolt, well, the 3-bolt to 6-bolt adapter. So I got first, like I said, I got to install, order the 3-bolt steering wheel kit. Then I got to order the 3-bolt to 6-bolt kit. I looked it up online. They said that's what's supposed to go for this car, so that's what we're gonna do. It's the 3-bolt to 6-bolt adapter kit, and then the steering wheel is a 6-bolt. And I think, like I said, I think the steering wheel is really dope, and I like it a lot. I was looking for the all wood, the 4-spoke all wood steering wheel, but people want like $250 for that steering wheel, and I'm like, man, I'll just order a regular little steering wheel for real, or just rock out with what I got. But then I found this one on Amazon. Like I said, it's blue and gold. I think it's really dope. So that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing, is just ordering that blue and gold one. We're gonna throw the blue and gold one in here because I told you I want to do blue and gold in this car. Even though I should have tried to find this billet grip shift, I should have tried to find that in blue, but I didn't know my route there first. But it'll be alright. You feel me? It'll be okay. But yeah, like I said, I'm finna ready to show y'all the steering wheel. Let me get out. Let me go get it, and I'm gonna show it to y'all. And excuse me, I'm gonna get y'all opinion. Even though I'm recording this video way before it need to be dropped, which I need to drop it like within the next day. But it'll be okay. At least y'all get to see this video. At least I'm staying up on date, up on recording videos. I'm not falling behind. So yeah, y'all give me a second to go with this steering wheel. Before we get started, before I show it to y'all, hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop a video. And I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. For real, we've been growing, and I can't do nothing but appreciate y'all. Thank y'all, man. Give y'all y'all props, man. Not even give y'all props. Just thank y'all. You feel me? I can't do nothing but thank y'all. So I really do appreciate y'all. But let me go get this steering wheel. Alright, y'all, it took me a little minute to find it, so, well, for y'all it wasn't little, it wasn't really no time, but yeah, like I said, it took me a little second to find it. I forgot where we had put it at, but like I said, we found it. But we go ahead, hold on one second. Let me show y'all this steering wheel. Now, y'all let me know, you feel me? Should we rock out with this one? It's just the other one. Wait till y'all see that other one. The other one, I just like it so much better. And it's gonna go with the colors that we're trying to do with the car. That way I won't ever have to change it in the future. Unless we get like some custom wheels and they can do the custom steering wheel with it too in the future. That's what I want to end up doing. But don't mind my antifreeze bottles. That's the one of them for this car, the Caprice, and the other one for the Cutlass. Both of them take green, and I had to mix it because that's one you got to add water to. So I just went ahead and split them up into 2 bottles. The bottles are the same liters. So I went ahead and split them in 2 bottles and then did the half water in them. So yeah, but yeah, like I was saying, I don't know if y'all can really get the good image of how it's gonna look. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna just order the other one. So yeah, let me get my phone out so I can show y'all this other one. I'm gonna probably go ahead and order it today. Well, by the time y'all seeing this, it'll probably already be in, and we're gonna already install it and all that good stuff. Alright, move this, set my armrest up. Alright, y'all, so this is what I was saying. I gotta order it. It's already in my cart, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and just order it today. But this is the steering wheel that I'm trying to get. It's blue around, and then it's gold on the inside. So it's like this one a little bit, but for one, it don't sit so deep in. If y'all can see that, it don't sit so deep in. It'll sit a little more flush, and I don't like that deep look a little bit. I don't know. I kind of don't, kind of do. I'm like a little iffy about it, but it's gold where this silver is, or this chrome. It's gold where this chrome is, and then it's blue all on this black. So yeah, and then I got the adapter kit already in there. It's 3 to 6 adapter kit, and then that's the kit, the installation kit. Now this kit, that's the cheapest I done found. Other places they want, like Summit is the same price, like $26. I think it's one more dollar. But for the 3 to a 6 adapter kit, this black one. People want like $30, and I found it right here for 12. So I was like, okay. And it's only 0.5 inch, so it won't be too thick. You feel me? It's only half an inch, so it'll be small. So it won't make the steering wheel come too far out to me. You feel me? It won't make the steering wheel come too far out to me. But yeah, like I said, that's the steering wheel I'm probably gonna order. I'm probably just gonna go and order today. It's this whole kit is $109, and now I gotta pay tax on, and it should be free shipping. I think it's free shipping. Yeah, see, eligible for free shipping, and this one don't say. But if I order it all today, it should be in within the middle of the week. I'm recording this on the weekend. I try to record everything on weekends, because during the week I be so busy, and then I'm trying to drop during the week too. So I try to record everything on weekends. So y'all, like I said, I'm recording this on the weekend. By the time y'all seeing this, I probably already had the steering wheel. So yeah, I still want y'all opinion though. What y'all think about that steering wheel? I think it'd be dope on this car. Like I said, I'm trying to go blue and gold on this car, and then since my colors is blue and yellow, I want to do blue and gold on this one. And then my Charger, we just don't leave it all red how it is. And then once we start getting a little more funds, we're gonna upgrade all the cars. You feel me? We're gonna do them all. Well, we doing them right now, but we're gonna do them better. You feel me? Like, we're gonna get different name brand wheels. Like, I want to go Corleone on all my cars. After that little fallout CJ on 32s had, I stopped really liking 4G, even though it ain't my business. It's just, he's one of my favorite YouTubers. So yeah, I'ma just rock out with like what he rock out, and I like Corleone style, and I like the designs they do on their wheels. So like I said, once we start making money, getting good funds in, we're gonna go upgrade all the wheels to Corleones, and then we're gonna cut some steering wheels made for this car and the Cutlass, and hopefully we have more cars by then. I'm trying to ball out for real. But yeah, like I said, we just taking it a day at a time, really. I ain't trying to rush nothing. It's just I want my wheels so I can put my wheels on my car. So I'm waiting to see what the dude say about the wheels. So once he hit me back telling me what day during the week, I'm gonna pop out there and see what wheels he got. I might take the camera with me and record, but I don't know if he want to be on camera. I don't want to invade his privacy and all that good stuff. You feel me? Try to respect everybody. That's my main goal and my main thing. I try to respect everybody no matter what. So I might not take the camera and just like holding his face, because I don't want to, you feel me, make him uncomfortable and all that good stuff. So like I said, I try to respect everybody. Try to respect everybody's opinions, all that good stuff. So yeah, like I said, y'all let me know about this steering wheel though. We got one. Now, before y'all say anything, I didn't pay nothing for this. My dad gave it to me. A lot of the stuff I got, like my pops gave to me, unless I wanted to upgrade it, then I order something. Like them speakers and them amps, my pops gave them to me. Both sets. Them chrome wheels, them chrome 24s that y'all seen, that one of them was welded on that we didn't know about, I didn't pay for those. My pops gave them to me. Them black ones was the only ones I paid for, but they already sold. My uncle getting them. So this radio I paid for, but the previous one my pops gave it to me. That TV my pops gave it to me. That TV my pops gave it to me. You feel me? Most of this stuff is stuff we already had, and I'm just using them. You feel me? Because they wasn't being used. So most of the stuff we already had, I'm just using them. Because my pops wasn't finna use them, so he told me, go ahead, do what you want to do with them. You feel me? What's mine's yours. What's mine's is his. So that's what we doing. We just using stuff that we already got. Most of the time is what we doing. But if it's something that I see and I want to go ahead and get it, I'm just get it. You feel me? For one, I'm learning and I'm getting older, so everybody gonna make mistakes. But it's just I'm living. You feel me? So if it's something that I want and I like it right then, I'm just gonna get it. If I got the money to, I'm gonna get it. Why not? And if I can't do nothing with it, then I can sell it, get rid of it. That's one thing about it. You feel me? My pop's a salesman. He got his own store, got his own car shop. So he sells stuff. So if I need something gone, I can just give it to him. Or if not, I know what to do. I can just sell it myself. So it's not that hard for me. I kind of know what I'm doing. Most times I do, most times I don't. But if I don't, then I admit it. You feel me? I ain't afraid to admit when I'm wrong. You feel me? But yeah, that's not what this about. This about the steering wheels. Y'all, like I said, y'all let me know. if we should rock out with this black one, or if I should do what I say I'm gonna do and do this blue and gold one. Now, the thing is, I wasn't trying to spend too much on the steering wheel. I seen that one for 72, 73, I mean. So I was like, that's a pretty good deal. I'm gonna go and grab it. You feel me? It ain't really that much. I mean, it's a lot of money. You feel me? That's over $100 for that kit. But why not go ahead and get it? I need to replace the steering wheel. Because for one, I'm trying to go, like I told you, I'm trying to go to these car shows, and I want this car to be somewhat complete. So I need to get this steering wheel done. I still need to get this door panel done. I'm finna order this dash real soon. Shouldn't be too much long. I'm gonna go ahead and order it. It's just they've been on back order, so I ain't want to order it and then have to still wait months to get it in. So I was just like, I might as well wait until they have them in for me to go ahead and order it. And I still need to get that mirror. So yeah, like I said, this car coming together. It ain't much really we need left to do. Oh, and my headliner. I had to do my headliner. Now, I was going to do my headliner myself, but my pops put this TV up, and I don't want to take it down, and I can't get it back up because I don't know how he did it. I think he put like some wood under there. So, yeah, see? He put some wood under there, and he did. Yeah, see, you feel me? I don't want to mess with it. So, my pops said whenever he free, or whenever we free and we could do it, we're gonna put a headliner down. We're gonna fix the headliner so it don't be, you feel me, so droopy no more. But for right now, it's all right. I ain't driving the car right now anyways. I'm still waiting on the mechanic, the dude that like I said, I trust, and really the only mechanic down here. There ain't too many mechanics down here where I live. Once he get some free time from work, he gonna come over here and check out what's going on with the Caprice. Like I said, I ain't been driving it. I ain't done nothing. I don't do pulls in this car. Like I said, this is my cruiser car, so I don't want y'all trying to blame it on me. I didn't do nothing. He said that I forgot what he said, but he gonna come and check it out for me. So yeah, I don't want y'all trying to blame it on me. But I've been talking a lot. This has been going on for a long time. But yeah, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think we should do about the steering wheel. I'm probably gonna go ahead and order this today. Run to the bank, put the money on my card, and go ahead and order it. So yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. That's gonna be it for this one. Ain't really much to it. Oh, the next video, I was thinking about going ahead and test fitting them Chrome 24s on the Charger to see if they're both straight on. Since they finna leave anyways, I was like, why not go ahead and try to do one more video on them before they go? You feel me? Since they finna go ahead and leave. I've been having a bunch of people hit me up about them, so I'm pretty sure they finna go ahead and go. Probably about the time y'all seeing this video, they probably already gone. But them black ones sold. My uncle buying them, or bought them, or getting them, whatever. So yeah, I don't want y'all trying to say I'm just wasting money. I'm not. If I can't use this stuff, I'ma sell it. And if I can't sell it, I'ma sell it to my pops, then my pops will sell it. Or if not, I'ma give it to my pops, and my pops will sell it. We break bread like that. You feel me? It's just little stuff like that. Like, if I can't use some of the parts, then I'ma sell them. My pops got his own store, and we got a car shop, so I can just get rid of it. You feel me? I ain't holding on to nothing. I don't want to hold on to it. But if y'all feel like I'm just wasting money, then I guess it is what it is. I don't know. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. That's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all. And yeah, like I said, it's gonna be it for this one. I appreciate y'all for watching.